Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Open the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Competition Sale tile. Now, select the brand name and category. Then, you can either select the model or the price band and click on Search. The model list will be displayed below. Enter the quantity for the model sold. Click on Add Sale button. The products will be added to the list. You can repeat this to add multiple products. Once all details are filled in, click on Submit button to save the competition sale. You will receive a confirmation message once the entry has been saved successfully. This is how you can log a competitor's sale record inside the Nural Sales app. Now let's see how to search and review previous competition sales. From the main dashboard, tap on the Competition Sale tile. This time, tap on the Search tab. Select Sale from the drop-down. Use the available filters like brand, model, and date range to narrow down your search. After setting filters, tap the Search button. The matching entries will now appear in the list. That's how you can track and manage competitor sale entries using the Nural Sales app. That's it! You've now learned how to record and search competition sale entries using the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.